In the Best Biotechnology Product category, the nominees are Alnylam Pharmaceuticals for Onpattro, Patisiran, Lipid Complex Injection. AstraZeneca for Evusheld. Bristol Myers Squibb for Camzyos. Moderna for Spikevax. Novartis for Zolgensma. Regeneron for Inmazeb. UCB for Bimzelx.
In the category of Best Biotechnology Product, the laureate of 2024 Prix Galien International is Novartis with Zolgensma.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Ambassador of Novartis.
So good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for this award. We are very proud to be here with also great products and so great technologies, all shaping the lives of patients, changing lives of families around the world. And on behalf of Novartis, of course, I'd like to thank the committee for selecting Zolgensma for this award. Zolgensma is the first gene therapy for a neuromuscular disorder ever, and with the potential really to change and shape the lives and the ways these patients are treated for a very rare and devastating disease. So to give you an idea, 60% of the patients that are born with SMA, they will die within the first 2 years of age. Today, many of those patients, if they're treated very early, they will have a normal life. Most of them. So it's really a revolution, and I think this afternoon there was some discussions about the revolution of gene therapies. SMA, as I said, is called spinal muscular atrophy. It's a very rare disease. And with the launch of Zolgensma, with the availability of Zolgensma in many markets, I think we also learn how to bring a gene therapy to the healthcare system, to the healthcare providers, and to the patients. And in our view, this has been a blueprint on how to do it, starting from the mechanism of action, from the manufacturing, huge challenges to be able to manufacture gene therapy at a global scale. We learn a lot in doing that. Supply chain, complex supply chain, also because this is a very devastating disease, and we should bring the product as soon as possible to the patients. Reimbursement, dealing with authorities, healthcare systems, And what is even more important with these products is not just us, actually. There are many over 2 or more treatments in SMA, hopefully for these patients. And that shaped the way these patients are treated, because now in many countries there are standard newborn screening, which means that if the patient is screened and diagnosed very early at the first days of age, you can really change their lives. So we are working every day. We believe in the science and in gene therapies. We think that there is also space for preventive gene therapy if you combine gene therapy with newborn screening, and this will really shape the way all these patients with genetic diseases and rare diseases will be treated in the future. So it has been a privilege, it's an honor for myself. Actually, I didn't introduce myself. I was a bit nervous about this. So I'm Alessandro Cirincione. I'm the head of international neuromuscular disorders at Novartis in Basel, and I have with me here my colleague Zoe Sfiri also from Basel, working with me in the team. So thank you so much, and enjoy the evening. Thank you.